How's it going, everyone? Today it's going to be a quick short video. All we're going to be doing is unboxing the NIKKOR Z 35mm f1.8. Just picked it up today. As you know, if you frequent the channel and everything, you know that the main lens, really the only S lens that I have for the Z system is the 24-70 f2.8. So I just picked up another lens today. I was trying to get the 105, but it's still completely out of stock at my local camera shop, and I just like giving them business and always buying stuff online. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit more until they get some more in stock. But without further ado, we're just gonna quickly unbox the 35mm. So as soon as you open up the box, you know, you get a little pouch that you can put the lens in. You know, and the best thing about these, not necessarily them being a pouch, because about 99% of the time we're all putting our lenses in, you know, some type of a bag or a case anyway, but they work great as, you know, it's kind of like a quick, you know, like cleaning cloth, so you can wipe off the lens for quick smudges and stuff like that while you're on the go or out on location, things like that, and you don't necessarily need to do like a full deep clean or deep dive like that. The other thing, we also have a user manual. Don't really use them. Most of the time I just throw them away. But you also get your warranty card, so you can also register and, you know, make sure that you keep account of your lens just in case anything happens, yada yada. But all that's at the top. So once you're done with that, on the side we've got, looks like to be the lens hood. And yes, it is. And then, ooh, opens up just like. And then we have the 35mm lens. Let's see here. There we go. To be honest, you know, the S lens compared to, or the Z mount lens compared to the F mount lens, you know, these are very plain and look very minimalistic style. But hey, it's all about, you know, their performance, and they perform damn well. But, you know, I'm gonna take it through its paces, do a couple tests, just do some quick shots and different things like that, do a review video later. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video so you all can at least see it. If there's any questions or anything that you have, maybe something that you want me to try out, maybe something that if you have it that you've noticed and you want me to see if I'm getting the same type of maybe possible issues or, you know, same results, things like that, you know, just drop it below in the comment, let me know, and I'll definitely make sure to, you know, check it out, test it to verify. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Thank you for coming to the channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.